everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and Merry Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. Today I am going to be unboxing or unwrapping my Christmas presents, and I'm really excited, but spoiler alert, this is actually not Christmas morning for me. I think when you're watching it, it is, or maybe the next day, but last year I did do it on Christmas. I hurried up and I did it really fast and I uploaded it, and that was fine. It didn't take too long, but it did take away time from my family, and so this year I don't know, I just wanted to do it a few days beforehand, and these are like, they're not really the essence of Christmas. This isn't important stuff for me. This is a designer item. This is Louis Vuitton, obviously, and then this is a present for Josh and I, so he's actually gonna come in and we're gonna unwrap it together. But on Christmas morning, we just wanna focus on the kids and their presents, and then they have presents for us. But yeah, so I love watching these videos though, so I really wanted to do this video, and Josh did get me these things obviously, so let's just get started. But before we do get started, I do want to say that for 2019, I am going to be focusing a little bit more on my Instagram account, so I would love for you to take like 3 seconds and follow me there. I am obsessed with video. That's why I love YouTube so much. YouTube is like my baby. That will always be my #1 priority, but I want to kind of incorporate some more video into Instagram. So again, I would love for you to take a few seconds and follow me there. It's just shay.whitney. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to, let me just move this stuff away. We're going to open, Josh is right here. He's going to step into the frame, and we're going to open our presents together. This is a gift to ourselves.
Yes.
And you wrapped it. You actually wrapped this all. Well, not the Louis Vuitton thing, but the other thing he did as well. Are you ready?
I'm very excited for this. I'm very happy with this gift. What are you laughing at me for?
You're just like half cut off. Okay, are we ready? We're gonna open it. These people aren't gonna even care about this, but they're not at all. They're here for the other items. It's upside down. Yay! Right, oh man, look what it is, people. What is it?
It's an espresso machine.
Like a really good one.
It's pretty good, yes. It's very good.
So
semi-auto,
anyway,
you want the semi-auto.
We're obsessed with Americanos. This is gonna make them good.
Yes, I'm gonna probably start making this right now.
Yeah, okay. Well,
okay, bye.
All right, it's my show again. Just kidding. I don't like being the center of attention. It's so, like, people that really know me, I don't like to be the center of attention at all, and yet I have a YouTube channel. It just makes me laugh. We're gonna do the Louis Vuitton item first because it's technically smaller than the last thing, which is, it's a bag, guys. It is a handbag. So this is not a handbag though, but it is Louis Vuitton. I love it. I've been wanting this for so long, and when you guys see what it is, it'll probably make sense to you. Okay, so it's like wrapped in like pink. That's different. That must be like a holiday thing. So Josh did get this for me. I do know what it is because I picked it out. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't looked at it. I really hope it's okay. And I hope he inspected it or whatever. So it is a small leather good. I've been wanting this for so long, and it's gonna make perfect sense for just like what I like as far as a wallet goes. It is the Victorine wallet by Louis Vuitton. It's the monogram canvas, obviously, just the classic brown interior. So it does snap and then it opens up, and it's just like, okay, this is why I like it. And again, I don't want to spend too much time on each item, but it's just perfection for me in the sense that I love a mini wallet. I am kind of over the large wallets. Maybe I will go back to them in a different part of my life, but right now I just switch bags so much that the mini wallet is just the best for me, so that this will fit in pretty much anything. So I love how it has card slots. I love how it has a money slot, because a lot of the other mini wallets that I have right now do not. I basically just like fold up my cash, and that works. It's fine, but it's kind of weird. So I love how this has a separate spot for it. And then the best part of all, it has an actual coin pouch, and that's another thing that's kind of difficult with my other mini wallets. I just throw in some coins and they jingle around, and there's not really an actual spot for them, but this will keep it nice and safe. So yes, it does come in other colors like rose ballerine and like some ones with patterns or designs on it. But I just love the classic monogram print. I feel like you can never go wrong with this. So anyway, this is my first present, and it is a mini Victorine wallet. All right, so now we're on to my next gift, and this is kind of, I'm excited about this. Again, Josh wrapped this, so I didn't inspect it. It is, I will say, it is pre-loved. So I did pick it out, and he ordered it, I didn't look at it. It's from Fashion File, but it's like brand new, never used, excellent condition, I hope. It is by Balenciaga. So I don't have anything Balenciaga, but oh my gosh, okay. Well, I'll explain. Let me just show you what it is, and I will explain it a little bit further. So, oh my gosh, I see it. It is this beautiful Balenciaga bag, and I know that this kind of reminds people of the Louis Vuitton Alma. I don't have the Alma or anything, but I don't know what it is about the size of this, just the way it is, and it does come with a strap. The Louis Vuitton one is different sizing, and it just kind of seems too small or too big, but this is like the perfect in-between size. I love how it's black. I feel like Balenciaga is literally the new Gucci, and I mean, some might think I'm crazy, and who cares if I follow trends or I don't follow trends, but lately I've been loving Balenciaga so much. I've been loving Fendi, Gucci, and Balenciaga. So anyway, this is an excellent addition to my collection, and I'm so excited. So as you can see, it does have the Fashion File tag here, but it looks perfect to me, as it should, because they did say it was, brand new, basically. But I did save a few $100s, or Josh did, whatever, it's all our money. But yeah, so I'll just quickly try it on for you guys so you can see the length or whatnot. But these straps do come off, and you could just carry it handheld, or you can do crossbody or over the shoulder. And then this is the inside, so it does hold a decent amount. So anyway, this is basically my Christmas presents for this year. I do have some other things I'll probably open on Christmas morning, but they're not gonna be like the big ticket items like these things or whatever. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year, even though I'll post a video before you see 2019. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I feel like I should say more things like, I don't know, yay Christmas, have a Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and much love to you all. I love you guys so much, so thank you for such an amazing and wonderful year. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye! And then I can make coffee. I'll be able to transfer all of my wallet things to this, and then I can take this, and it fits perfectly in here. I'm on, it's a lovely weather for a sleigh.